Hello everyone, I'm Anish. I'm excited to guide you through a topic that often causes confusion in the AI world, understanding the differences between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. First, let's establish a crucial point. AI, machine learning, and deep learning are related concepts, but they are not the same thing. Many people use these terms interchangeably, but each has a specific meaning. Now take a look at this visual comparison. You can see a nested relationship here. Think of it like Russian nesting dolls, where each concept fits inside the broader one. Artificial intelligence is the broadest category. This encompasses any machine performing intelligent tasks. It's the outermost circle in our diagram. Machine learning is a subset of AI. These are systems that learn patterns from data without being explicitly programmed for every scenario. And deep learning is a subset of machine learning. It uses neural networks with multiple layers to recognize complex patterns. This is the smallest, most specialized circle. To summarize, AI is the umbrella term, ML is a type of AI, and deep learning is a type of ML. Thank you for watching.